class 12 chemistry students ready for the board exams or worried about the board exams? What to study, which chapter you need to give more importance, which chapter you need to study more to score good marks? So today, here, we are going to break down the whole syllabus into small topics that you need to give more attention and that can help you score more marks in your board exams. Okay, so we are having a total 10 chapters and still we are worried about the chapters and what to study and which reaction we need to give more importance, right? So we are going to the first chapter, that is our solution chapter. From the solution chapter, we need to give importance for these topics like the concentration terms, Henry's law, Rolle's law, colligative properties, Van Hoff factor. And when we go to the second chapter, that is electrochemistry. Electrochemistry is also a numerical chapter and we need to give importance for these 5 topics, that is chemical cells, Nernst equation, conductance, resistance, electrolysis and Faraday's law, and related to these many equations and numericals will be coming from this Faraday's law and the conductance section. Clear? Then the third chapter is our chemical kinetics chapter and that is also a numerical chapter and we need to give more importance for the rate law, order of the reaction, molecularity of the reaction and integrated rate equation, and the last topic is the Arrhenius and the activation energy. And from that Arrhenius and activation energy, numericals will be asked sure for your boards. Okay, then the fourth chapter, we are going to the fourth chapter. The fourth one is D and F block elements and that is the easiest theory chapter and we need to give more focus on the electronic configuration, oxidation state, color, magnetic properties, lanthanides and actinides, and not the least, the main topics are the main two one, KMnO4 and K2Cr2O7, that is the preparation of potassium permanganate and potassium dichromate. Surely questions will be asked from our KMnO4 and K2Cr2O7 session. Clear? Then our next fifth chapter is coordination compounds and it's an easy chapter. Mainly, we need to give importance for the nomenclature and isomerism, and 2 theories, VBT theory and Werner's theory, and the last one is the magnetic properties. Okay, so these topics will help you to score more than 4 marks from the chapter coordination compounds. And our 6th chapter is haloalkanes and haloarenes. From the 6th chapter, we are going towards the organic chemistry, and the organic chemistry is the main part of our chemistry exam. So total 70 marks, like more than 40 marks, it will be from our organic session. So mainly from this chapter, give more importance for SN1 and SN2 reaction, that is nucleophilic substitution, unimolecular and bimolecular reaction, and the preparations. And naming reactions like Wood's reaction is there, Woods-Wittig, then Schwarz is there, Finkelstein is there, and Friedel-Crafts alkylation acylation. So many naming reactions are coming from this chapter, so it is very, very important. And the last topic is stereochemistry, that is also very, very important from the stereochemistry. Chirality, achirality, enantiomers, resin mixture are the more important topics. Okay, so we are going towards the 6th chapter, that is the 7th chapter, alcohols, phenols and ethers, and from this chapter also it is an organic chapter. Preparations are very, very important and mainly focus on this one, acidity of phenols. Surely questions will be coming from the acidity of phenols, and the next one is reaction of alcohols and dehydration reaction, and Williamson synthesis is very, very important for your boards. Then our 8th chapter is aldehydes, ketones and carboxylic acid, and this is also an organic chapter. We need to give importance mainly for the aldol, cross-aldol condensation, Cannizzaro reaction and other nucleophilic addition reaction. Okay, then our 9th chapter is amines, that is also an organic chapter related to the amines, that is NH2 groups, and the classification is very important, preparation is important. More than that 2 topics, that basicity of amines is very, very important. Give more focus for the basicity of amines, like the acidity of phenols. Both are important, acidity of phenols and basicity of amines. Then the diazonium salt and Sandmeyer reaction. Sandmeyer reaction is also coming the 6th chapter, that is haloalkanes and haloarenes, that is a naming reaction. And the last one is aniline. Aniline is also very, very important for your boards. Then the final chapter, that is biomolecules. Biomolecules is a very easy chapter related to our biology, and you need to give more importance for the carbohydrates, proteins, amino acids, enzyme and vitamins and nucleic acid. These are the main topics from the chapter biomolecules. This Independence Day Lecture NEET 2027 English is bringing out a great offer for you. The original price of this course is 6,300, but for this Independence Day, you are getting it only for 3,700. So it's a great opportunity. Don't miss out this opportunity, and the offer is valid only till 18th August 2026. And if you are preparing for NEET 2027, it's a great opportunity to enroll in our Lecture NEET 2027 English batch. So don't miss out this. Thank you.